So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So first thing first, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with the trend, and then we are going to trade with the trend. So what can we say the trend is on our GBPJPY? This is very clear that GBPJPY is in an uptrend move. So this is our main trend, our overall trend, and our main trend says that we are in an uptrend move. That is it, right? Our main trend and overall trend says that we are in an uptrend move. Now, when you take a look at this movement right here, you can see the eye, right? Now, this is the high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low right now, right? Market did give us an higher low. Now, if you take a look at this movement right here, guys, markets eventually push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? So now with this higher low, market has now pushed up to form an equal high. So with this equal high, we should expect the market to push up till it is able to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, we should expect the market to take out this previous high. This is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So if you are not yet in the buy on your GBP JPY, you should be looking to go in for the buy, as we will still be anticipating for some movement to the upside. So what we are trying to say is that a bullish move is what we should be expecting. Now, if in case there is going to be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I did the updates and let you guys to know. So if you do not want to miss out on any updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.